Hi, welcome to Harsirla Technologies Private Limited. We are providing non-coding IT courses like ETL Testing, ETL Automation, Data Warehouse, Testing, Database, Testing, SQL, Defect Tracking, Tool, Informatica, PowerCenter, QA Analyst, Data Analyst, Report, Testing, by Testing, Informatica, Testing, Agile Testing, Manual Testing, API Testing, Big Data Testing, Hadoop Testing, Functional Testing, Performance Testing, New Software Training. Batch starting soon. Kickstart your career in the new year with expert training. Flexible language options, Telugu and English. Available in online and offline modes. Who can join? Freshers and experienced professionals. International students. Non-IT background. Candidates. Those looking to shift from bench to project. What we offer? 0 to advanced level training. Real-time project. Experience. 100%. Job assurance interview. Questions and mock interviews. Resume building and management skills. New batch starting soon. No matter where you are, your career growth starts here. Enroll now and secure your future. Please register now. Thank you for watching.